Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can share your blog posts to the Slack platform. So now here I can go and after that type Slack. Here you can see this is the website and now you can simply create a free account. Now I can go and after that click here continue with Google and let me select email, then click here continue button. So now I can go here and log in into my account. Here you can see this one. After that you can go and create a channel. So I already have a channel. Now I want to integrate this website so that automatically this post will be shared when some post is updated on this website. Now you can type integrately.com and here you can go and check your packages. So I think this one is best. So you will get 100 tasks for free, and if you want to go with starter package, just you can add 2000 tasks. So after that here you can see these are other packages. Now you can go and log in. So let me click here continue with Google. And after that I have done some automations. So now you can scroll down and here you can check the platforms. So these are the hundreds of platforms and here you can see automations that I have created. So whenever you are facing an issue, just you can go and get your issue solved on live chat support. All right. So now I can go back and after that click here add automation. And here I can type when WordPress post updated, then create Slack channel message. So you can also type here when post is created. So just I have some blog post, so that's why I want to add this condition when WordPress post is updated. So this is a great tool that can automate your website with different social media platforms so that you can easily increase your website organic traffic and you can generate revenue from your website. So guys, here you can see you can expand it. So these are the different options that you will get: send direct message, send channel message. So I recommend this one. Then click here activate. So after that you need to follow some steps. Here you can see I already added my website. So if you want to add a new website, just you can click here add new connection. Then here you can add website URL. So you don't need to add wp-admin. Then you need to add username and after that you need to add password. So these are the three required fields that you need to fill out. Now I can go in my automations, click here, and then here you can see my WordPress website is connected. So now scroll down and here you can see now I need to select this field. So if you are doing it first time, then it will ask for the authorization. So now you need to map these fields and here you can select the channel. So just I can select one of these, and here you can also fill required fields. Then click here, test and run. So that's great, it is connected. So guys, here you can see one post is extracted